In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out how many subscribers you've lost over time, over the last month, over the last year, over the lifetime of your channel. What you do, go to YouTube Studio and then go to Analytics. And then on this page, you want to click this See More button down here. On this page, we can see more information about our stats, our analytics on our channel. And by default, it defaults to the last 28 days. We can see how many views the channel has had, how many watch hours, how many new subscribers, net subscribers, and revenue, impressions, and so on. So what I want you to do is go over here to metrics, and then there's a whole bunch of other things here that you can add to this chart here and thus the graph above. And what I find the easiest thing to do is just to type what you're looking for. So in my case, I'm going to type subs. Okay, and now I've got some other options here. I'm going to click on subscribers gained and subs lost and click apply. That adds those two fields to my chart. So here we've got subscribers gained, subscribers lost, and if you do the math, take the difference between these two, you'll wind up with subscribers. In my case, in the last 28 days, I've gained 5,793 subscribers. I've lost 1,115 for a total net gain of 4,678. And you can break it down by video. Okay, so right now this chart is sorted by subscribers gained. You can tell that by this little arrow here. If I want to sort by subscribers lost, I just click on it. So I'll click here. Now this table is sorted by subscribers lost. So at the top here, 36. That is the video responsible for the most lost subscribers. And it just so happens to be the video I did a few days ago where I talked about losing subscribers and why it's not a big deal. Okay, so it kind of made sense that I lost some there. And then the number 2 in the last 28 days is the truth about small YouTubers gather here. Again, that's another video where I talked about the fact that you don't want to engage in sub for sub or things like that. And that if anybody is subscribing to me for the purposes of me subscribing back to them, just be on notice that I'm not going to do that. So that might have caused some people to unsubscribe from me. If we want to look at this chart for a different period of time, we just go up here and we can change this. So if we want to look at, say, the last year, just click on last 365 days. And here we go. Now we can see that in the last 365 days, I have gained 69,238 subscribers. I've lost over 10,000 subscribers in the last year for a net total of 59,108 subscribers gained in the last year. Again, right now we are sorted by subscribers lost. So the video responsible for the most is this one, 131 lost by this video. That was a video I made in March. But that is a pretty small number compared to how many subscribers I gained from that video. So naturally, the more views, I mean, if we look at this video resulted in 386,000 views. The more views you have, the more popular a video is, the more subscribers you'll get, the more subscribers you'll lose. Okay, so that's why that number is big. But if we go down here, we don't have to go very far to find that video, the very last video I made that lost 36 subscribers, only gained 115, right? That is already the 5th, ranks number 5 in terms of videos that have lost me the most subscribers. Hey guys, Editor Rob here. I wanted to point something out that I forgot to mention in this video, and that is this graph. I just talked about this video here and the fact that it's relatively new. I only made it a few days ago, and it's already lost 36 subscribers from that video. You can also see that up here in this graph, this spike here. See, it's a whole lot higher than any other spikes I've had in the last year. And that's an indication that something's going on. If you ever see a spike like this in your graph, you want to try to figure out what happened. It could be a good thing, but it might be a bad thing. Either way, it's good to learn. It's a great learning experience. So in my case, I strongly believe that it's because I was talking about losing subscribers and how it may not be a bad thing. And then a bunch of people left, right? The subscribers left my channel. Again, not a bad thing. And I'm going to explain why it's not a bad thing in a couple minutes. I believe I talk about 4 things. Anyways, I haven't edited that yet. Okay, so if you see a spike like this, dig a little bit deeper, try to figure out what's going on. Might be good, might be bad, but it's good to find out why. So now let's get back to the video. I think this is great that I've lost subscribers because I would have lost subscribers that aren't interested in my videos. Right? And I don't want subscribers who aren't interested in my videos, because if I had just empty subscribers, right, who subscribe to me, hoping I subscribe to them, those subscribers typically won't watch my videos. All right. So when I come out with a new video, the average view duration of my videos, the average will be brought down by those who are subscribed who aren't watching. All right. So whereas if I had only subscribers who are very interested in my videos and they're all watching, the average view duration goes up. Why is that important? Because that's a metric that YouTube looks at when deciding how far to push out your next video. All right. You make a new video, you upload it to YouTube. It's going to test it against your subscribers and other people they think want to watch your video. If your average view duration is lower than normal, YouTube's going to think it must not be a very good video. Even your subscribers aren't watching it, so we're not going to push it out very much. Why else would you be losing subscribers? One is bots. Okay. There is bot traffic that results in you getting subscribers, everybody getting subscribers, just based on robot traffic, right? Which YouTube is fighting against. They will periodically find these accounts that are kind of fake, and they will delete them. And when they delete fake accounts or accounts that have been breaking the rules, let's say, when YouTube deletes these accounts, whatever other accounts they were subscribed to, those subscriptions will be deleted as well. Okay. So that's why every once in a while, YouTube will go through these purges and we'll all notice the number of subscribers that we have go down because of that. Again, that's okay because we're just losing subscribers that are hurting us anyways. Something else is pivots, right? Every once in a while, I might make a video that really has not much to do with what I normally make videos about, another topic. If I do that regularly, then the people who subscribe to me for my regular content, if they start noticing, oh, he's starting to make a whole lot more of these boating videos, let's say, I'm not here for that. I'm going to leave. Okay, so that can happen. If you are making videos and you're not making them all for one specific niche or one target audience, and you start making videos about other things, then you may start losing subscribers who might sense that you're veering away from the reason why they subscribe to you in the first place. And lastly, people's interests change. People's interests change all the time. And actually, that's not last. There's one more thing. 5 years ago, my interests were different than they are now. So accounts that I subscribed to 5 years ago, I'm probably not interested in them now, some of them, right? So every once in a while, people will go through their subscription list and just purge out the ones that no longer interest them. That's totally natural. And that's doing me a favor because it's cleaning up my subscribers, but it's also doing the creators a favor who I'm subscribed to but not watching their videos. And the last thing is the age of your channel. So the older your channel is, naturally, the more subscribers you're going to lose. Because of natural attrition, because people's interests change, because you may have made different videos and pivoted every once in a while. All these reasons add up. I think the main thing, though, and also the YouTube bot traffic, the fact that they're trying to get rid of bots, all of that together, it just happens more the longer your channel exists. All right, so try not to stress when you see that number, whatever it is. Let me know what you see. I'd be interested to know how many subscribers you've lost versus how many you've gained, and also over what period of time, right? So I hope you find this helpful. My name is Rob. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back, and I'll see you in the next video.